Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exercise 14E, okay, and all these questions are based on problem involving the fractions, means in this we will solve the fractions. Very simple questions, only you need to understand what is asking in the question. So question number 1 is saying from a rope 10.5 meter long and 4 and 5 by 8 meter is cut off. एक रस्सी है आपके पास जिसकी टोटल लेंथ है 10.5 मीटर, उसमें से आपने 4 and 5 by 8 मीटर उसमें से कट ऑफ मतलब उसमें से काट दिया है. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द रिमेनिंग. अब काट के आपने इतनी रस्सी को हटा दिया है तो बची हुई रस्सी की लेंथ कितनी है, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रैक्शन and this you will subtract from this. Or let us solve. So what is saying in question number 1, it is saying that we have a rope. Suppose this is a rope and the length of this rope is 10.5 meter. The full length of this rope is 10.5 meter. And how much rope we have cut off? We have cut off this much rope, 4 and 5 by 8 meter we have cut off with the help of a scissor, and this part we are taking out. So this much is remaining. Yes, and how we will calculate? By subtracting this number from this number. So we will write here remaining rope length is equal to 10 and 1 by 2 meter minus 4 and 5 by 8 meter. Okay, simple. What you will do, first you will convert this into simple fraction, then take the LCM, convert this 10, 2 into 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 5, 37 by 8. Now what you will do, you will take the LCM of 2 and 8. Take the LCM of 2 and 8, what will come? The LCM will come as 8. So here you will write 8 in 2 table. How many times this 8 is coming? It is coming 4 times. So 4 into 21 minus in 8 table how many times it is coming? 1 time. So 1 multiply 37. Now solve this. How much is coming? 4 into 21, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, minus 1 into 37 will be 37 upon 8 is equal to, subtract 84 minus 37, how much? 14 minus 7 will be 7. Here 7 is remaining, 7 minus 3 is 4 and downside is 8. As the answer is coming in improper fraction, you have to convert this into mixed fraction. So convert it. How you will convert? Divide it. 8 6 are 48, then 8 5s are 40, 7 is remaining. So when you will convert this into mixed fraction, it can be written as here 5, here 8 and here 7. Okay, means this much meter length of the rope is remaining, means this much part is how much? The length of this much part is how much? 5 and 7 by 8. This is the answer of first one. Note down. Now in next question what it is saying that we have a cloth whose length is 5 meters. Suppose here is a cloth, okay, and this length is 25 meter, okay, and when we are washing it, after washing what is happening, दिस क्लॉथ इज समवॉट श्रिंकिंग मीन्स थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है. आपने देखा होगा जो कॉटन के क्लॉथ होते हैं जैसे ही हम उसको धोते हैं तो वो थोड़ा सा सिकुड़ जाते हैं, तो श्रिंक होने को बोलते हैं हम सिकुड़ना. सो दिस क्लॉथ इज ऑल्सो this is not 25, this is 5 meter. This is also shrinking. How much it is shrinking? It is shrinking 1/25 of its length. अपनी लेंथ का 1/25 सिकुड़ जाता है. So here it is, we will calculate first 1/25 of its length. So 1/25 of means multiply, and here 5, length is 5 meter. So 5 ones are 5 fives are, so it means 1/5 meter it is shrinking. So in question it is asking find how much is the cloth length now. सिकुड़ गया तो वो कम हो गया उतना सा उसमें से, so we will remove this much portion from that. So now length of cloth is equal to 5 minus this length 1/5. ठीक है, पूरे क्लॉथ की लेंथ है 5 मीटर, इस 5 मीटर में से 1/5 लेंथ इसकी कम हो गई, तो हम इतनी सी लेंथ को डिक्रीज कर देंगे, माइनस कर देंगे फ्रॉम द टोटल लेंथ. सो 5 minus 1/5. Simple. Now you will take the LCM. How you will take the LCM? Here nothing is written in denominator means 1 is written. Whenever there is no denominator means 1 is the denominator. Now you have to take the LCM of 1 and 5. After taking LCM you will come to know that LCM is 5. Yes, in one table how many times this 5 is coming? It is coming 5 times. Multiply with this 5, then minus. In 5 table how many times this 5 is coming? 1 time, and this 1. Now calculate it. 5 fives are 25 minus 1/5. 25 minus 1 will be 24 upon 5. Yes, so the length of the remaining cloth is 24/5 meter. As it is improper fraction, convert this into mixed fraction. How you will convert? By doing divide. Do the divide. 24, 5 4s are 20, and here 4 is coming. Okay, now write it. 4 will come up, and here also 1 4, and here 5, and here meter. Okay, so this is your answer. Note down. Now question number 3rd, what is saying in question number 3rd, that I went to the shop and from the shop I purchased wheat, rice and vegetables. Okay, purchased the wheat of rupees 12.5, purchased rice of 25th and 3/4, and purchased vegetables of rupees 10 and 1/4. Okay, and I have given the shopkeeper 100 rupees note, then how much money will the shopkeeper return to me? सो दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. आप जैसे जाते हैं मार्केट सामान लेने के लिए, आप क्या करते हैं, जितना भी सामान लेते हैं उन सब का टोटल कर लेते हैं, और अगर आपने ज़्यादा पैसे दिए हैं तो उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. सिंपल थिंग. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी विल डू द सेम ओनली. फर्स्ट वी विल डू द एडिशन. टोटल अमाउंट to be paid. पहले कैलकुलेट कर लेते कितना अमाउंट हमें पे करना है. मीन्स 12 and 1/2 प्लस 25 and 3 by 4 plus 10 and 1 by 4. First of all, convert all this mixed fraction into simple fraction. So 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 25 by 2 plus 25 into 4 will be 100, 100 plus 3 will be 103 upon 4 plus 10 4s are 40, 40 plus 1 will be 41 by 4. Okay, now what you will do? Simple, take the LCM. You can see these two are like only. ठीक है, ये दोनों पहले से like fraction है, तो हम इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. Then we will take the LCM because we know that whenever there is like fraction we will add it up. So this two will get add up. 25 by 2 plus 103 plus 41. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 0 is 4 and here 1 and downside will come as 4. Okay, and here again I am taking LCM, is coming 4, and then in 2 table how many times this 4 is coming? 2 times. So 2 multiply 25 plus 144. See how much is coming? 2 into 25 is 50 plus 144 upon 4, and 50 plus 144 will be 0 plus 4 will be 4, 4 plus 5 will be 9 and here 1 upon 4. You can see these two are even number, so it can be cancelled with the 2 table. So you can cancel up this one with 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18 and 2 7s are 14. Now it will not cancel up, so the answer is coming here 97 upon 2. One more thing is there, that this is improper, so you will convert this into mixed fraction, but this time I will not convert this into mixed fraction because one more subtraction is left. So 97 by 2 is coming answer. So total how much I have to pay? Total I have to pay 97 by 2 rupees. मैंने दिया 100 rupees का नोट and 97 by 2 rupees उससे कट करना है, then how much money he will return to me? So I will find out now the remaining money. Money returned will be 100 minus 97 by 2. Okay, here again you can see denominator is not same. Here nothing is written in denominator, means 1 is written. So take the LCM. Downside 2 will come. In one table how many times this 2 is coming? 2 times. So 2 into 100 minus 2 table how many times 2 is coming? 1 time. So 1 into 97 is equal to 200 minus 97 upon 2. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3 and 9 minus 9 is 0 and here 1 upon 2. अगेन यू सी, आप इसको देख नहीं सकते ठीक से कि ये कितने रुपीज़ हुए, क्योंकि 103 by 2 आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कितना रुपीज़ वो हमें रिटर्न करेगा. तो या तो आप इसे डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं या फिर मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में. देन ऑल्सो यू कैन हैव द आइडिया दैट हाउ मच मनी द शॉपकीपर विल रिटर्न यू. Convert this into mixed fraction. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 1 is remaining. So 51 and half rupees will the shopkeeper return you. ओके आपको 51.5 रुपीज़ शॉपकीपर रिटर्न करेगा. नोट डाउन दिस वन. Now question number 4. What is saying in question number 4? That there is a box. In that box 500 oranges are kept. Okay, suppose here is a box. Okay, and in this box 500 total oranges are kept, and out of that 500 oranges, what is happening? 3/25 oranges are rotten. Rotten means सड़े हुए, and we have also kept 1/5 of the total oranges for guests. When the guest will come, we will serve 1/5 for them. Okay, so you don't know that how much orange will come in 3/25, and you also don't know how much orange will come in 1/5. Yes, so what you will do for that? First of all, we will calculate 3/25 of total. How we will calculate 3/25 of total? See, as you know already that of means multiply sign. So here 3/25 multiply total is 500. Okay, do the cancellation. 5 ones are 0 0, then 5 5s are. Okay, again it can be cancelled. 5 ones are 5 2s are and 0s are. So it will be 60. Simplify this also. 1/5 of total is for guest. 1/5 of total means 1/5 of means multiply total oranges is 500. Okay, now you can also cut this one. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 0 0. How much? 100. Okay, so 60 oranges सड़े हुए निकल गए. 100 oranges गेस्ट के लिए बचा दिए. So how many is the total for you, for the family? How much is remaining? So remaining oranges will be of course 500 minus 60 plus 100. इन दोनों को हम ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे because these two we have to add, and then this total we have to subtract from 500. ठीक है, 500 minus 60 plus 100 will be 160. When the bracket is solved, we will open the bracket. Now subtracted, 0 minus 0 will be 0, 10 minus 6 will be 4, 4 minus 1 will be 3. So 340 oranges are left. This is your answer. Note down. So in this video only this much. Rest of the question we will see in next video. Till then you can try to solve the rest of the question by yourself. The question which I have shown in the beginning, you can reverse the video and look at that questions and try to solve the questions by yourselves. Okay, thank you for watching the video.